As I'm, on camera, you're about to fall. This floor joist broke, and he's saying that one's moving. They're standing on it. But we put piers through the middle and form a force of support. We've actually put that you might say, what in the world is that? Is where we put piers underneath the water heater, and then we put piers underneath the floor joists that are in sad shape. And now we're getting ready to put floor joists beside the ones that are actually here, and we're going to screw everything to the floors and to the existing floor joists. And this is going to be one solid house, room in this house anyway. So here we go with screws. So if you watch some of our other videos, the point of us putting it, making everything stitched together real good, is we put 2x in between on the edges and right here where the seams go together. That way it doesn't move when you step on them and then bust whatever material you use, particularly things like ceramic tile and so on and so on. We also put screws in everything so it doesn't back out like nails would, and we've done all the floor joists that need to be fixed. So everything's done with screws and everything's screwed off. And we're getting close to the final couple of pieces, and we're feeling pretty good. So we'll show you the completed job here in a little bit. As a matter of fact, now they want me to do the flooring, which they were going to do before, but that's all good. We're going to get it done. Take you through it. See ya.